Hello, good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Diana Tanong, 33 years old from Baguio City, Philippines. I am single but I have a living partner and blessed with two loving children, ages 13 and 17 years old. I am a high school graduate and I have a 3 years working experience in the Philippines with two employers. My first employer is from February 2017 until March 2019. I served two adults, 3 months old newborn baby and 10 years old kid. My main duty to them is to take care of their children. I change diaper, I change their clothes, I take them a bath, I play with them and teach them. I do household chores such as marketing, cooking, ironing, and cleaning. In my second employer, I serve two adults and 3 years old kid. My main duty is to focus on the 3 years old kid. I teach her, I play with her, I change her clothes, and I take her a bath. I do household chores such as cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing. I am a responsible, hardworking, and always willing to learn new skills. If you hired me, I promise that I will take good care of your children as my own children. Thank you, ma'am and sir, for considering my application. Have a nice day. God bless.